Hello, today we're looking at the Hornady Hot Tub Sonic Cleaner. It's a 9-liter ultrasonic cleaner that works great on cleaning your longer gun components as well as brass cases and smaller gun components. So I'm just going to jump in and start showing you how this thing works. To begin with, it's, like I said, a 9-liter tank, which is about 2.5 gallons. And you just use regular tap water or distilled water, works a little better, but you just go ahead and fill that tank up. And then you go ahead and add either the Hornady ultrasonic brass cleaner for cartridge cases or our special gun parts formula for polymer frame pistols, any plastic components, just any gun component. It's safe on all materials. The painted parts is the only thing you have to worry about. You use a little caution with that. So with that, it comes with a basket for cleaning large items, and you can drop that into the tank. Or there's also a small parts bin. It's a 1.6 liter tank. It's great for putting a small batch in here, and you can put up to 3 of those in the tank, 1 on each side and 1 in the middle. So then you're also able to clean your brass and gun components at the same time and save quite a bit of the cleaning solution by not having to fill up the whole tank. It also has plenty of room for an AR upper, a 16-inch upper, and it comes with hanging cords, so you can hang that in there and suspend it above the bottom, so you really optimize your ultrasonic cleaning action with that. And obviously you need a little bit more water in there to clean the AR upper. So ultrasonic cleaning works by vibrations. It's a high frequency vibration that takes place. That vibration causes high and low pressure waves. Those high and low pressure waves expand air bubbles within the solution to the point where they implode. They implode so violently that it creates microjets that shoot out at about 250 miles an hour and about 300 degrees Kelvin. So we're going to go ahead and drop these 2 different bins of parts in there. We'll fill it up with a little bit of water so the parts are covered. So as you're filling up the tank with water, you want to make sure the parts are completely submerged, because that's obviously where the ultrasonic cleaning action is taking place. And then your larger tank, you just want to fill up to the level of the smaller tanks. Then you go ahead and add our cleaning solutions. Our cleaning solutions are concentrated 40-to-1. So that's about 1 ounce of cleaning solution to 40 ounces of water. There is an exact science to this, but I usually estimate by a cap full per small tank. So both our brass and gun parts formula are non-toxic, completely safe. And it is specially formulated for each type of cleaning application. Once you get everything set in there, you just go ahead and turn it on. And you can immediately see how the ultrasonic cleaning action is breaking up the carbon buildup on there. The nice thing about ultrasonic is it's also constantly stirring the solution, so you get fresh solution onto the parts. So your cleaning solution lasts a lot longer. Cleaning solutions can be used for multiple batches. It's kind of like dishwater, though. Eventually you just got to turn it or change it out. Then on the ultrasonic cleaning, we have different timer functions where you can increase the time of your cleaning. Most cleaning cycles will only take about 15 to 20 minutes, but you can go up to 30 minutes on here. There's also a temperature function here, and when you're cleaning gun components, that really accelerates the cleaning action. When you're cleaning brass parts, it's not necessarily needed. But again, you can cycle through your temp functions. 140 would really be for cleaning steel components. If you're cleaning plastic components, you probably want to stick closer to the 110 range. But again, it really just accelerates things on there. Once you're done cleaning, I usually just pull them out, run them across the basket to dry out. And then with gun components, you go ahead and lube them back up. Brass cases, I rinse them off and then dry them off, and they're ready to reload. They're nice and clean, so your dies last a lot longer, and you're just dealing with clean brass. The Hornady Hot Tub Sonic Cleaner was specifically designed to clean your longer gun components, especially the AR-15 and your other gas guns like the semi-auto shotguns or some of your longer pistols. It's a 24.5-inch long tank, so it can easily fit the 16-inch AR upper. And with our Hornady hanging tabs, we're able to suspend the parts above the bottom of the tank, which really improve the cleaning efficiency of the Sonic Cleaner. And again, I'm going to just top this off a little bit so our part's completely submerged. And then I'm going to add our Hornady one-shot Sonic cleaning solution, specifically tailored for gun components. Since we're using the larger tank, I usually drop in 2 or 3 capfuls. Since we're cleaning gun components, I'm going to turn the heat up to 140 and then start the timer, and you can immediately see the cleaning action taking place. Those ultrasonic cleanings, both circulating the cleaning solution as well as the microjets, are hitting the surface and knocking that carbon off, and you can just see the cloud coming out of the gas block as well as the receiver. Most cleaning cycles on an AR will probably take, like I said, 15, maybe 25 minutes, depending on how dirty it is. And for the most part, it'll loosen most of the residue on there to the point where you can just wipe it down if it doesn't completely fall away. When it's finished, I pull it out, I rinse it off under water, make sure I get all the soap residue off, and then go ahead and lube it up with my favorite gun lube. Once you're done cleaning up, you can go ahead and clean the tank out, dry it out, and it comes with lids as well, where you can set your parts on top and let them drain back into the pan as well. And that pretty much sums up our Hornady Hot Tub Sonic Cleaner.